At this point in your life, you're looking ahead and planning for your financial needs. Sure, there's Social Security in your savings, but will it be enough? So consider a third part of every good financial plan: your home's equity. If you're a homeowner 62 or older, you could turn that equity into a dependable money source with a reverse mortgage line of credit from One Reverse Mortgage. Call today for free information on how a reverse mortgage line of credit works. It's for people with or without a current mortgage. It pays off your existing mortgage if you have one, and any remaining funds can be accessed now or later. No monthly mortgage payments are required, which frees up money every month. That could help delay dipping into your savings. Plus, you continue to own and live in your home. Together with savings and Social Security, a reverse mortgage could be your way to a more secure financial future. Make the smart move now. Call One Reverse Mortgage today.